Hi folks, welcome to Naturally Curious UK. My name is Graham Wallace and today I've come up to Claybury Park in the London Borough of Redbridge. Now I'm recording this piece to camera on my phone using the internal mic, so I hope this is coming out okay and there's not too much wind noise, but I just wanted to show you, I've just been filming Great Spotted Woodpecker drumming, so let me show you that. So that was pretty cool, wasn't it? Hope you enjoyed that. Join me again soon here on Naturally Curious UK. But this is a good time of year to be getting out into the woods because there's a lot of the leaves haven't come out yet. So lines of sight are pretty good, and it's a good time to get out and catch the woodpeckers drumming. So yeah, do that. But also join me again soon here on Naturally Curious UK. Meanwhile, as always, stay safe, stay sane, stay curious, and keep enjoying the wonders of nature God has blessed us with. Cheerio.